Ethereum cost extremely equivalent to $1,666.22 a coin in a genuinely significant manner. The present exchange cost range, $1,622.9 to $1,677.89, or so they fundamentally thought. The earlier day close, $1,650.70, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The change sort of was plus 15.52, plus 0.94% in a fundamentally significant way. Backwards rate, USD to ETH, which is genuinely huge. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, June 16. Cost $1,567. Sort of most extreme $1,677, kind of least $1,457 in an exceptionally significant manner. Ethereum gauge on Monday, June 19. Cost $1,564. Really most extreme $1,673, by and large least $1,455 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost $1,555. Genuinely most extreme $1,664, exceptionally least $1,446, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, June 21, cost $1,556. Genuinely most extreme $1,665, certainly least $1,447, or so they essentially thought. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost $1,482, in every way that really matters. Most extreme $1,586, by and large least $1,378, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum estimate on Friday, June 23, cost $1,477, exceptionally most extreme $1,580, fundamentally least $1,374, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, June 27, cost $1,446, sort of greatest $1,547, beautiful least $1,345. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, June 28, cost $1,506, genuinely greatest $1,611, least $1,401. In about 14 days Ethereum gauge on Thursday, June 29, cost $1,443, especially greatest $1,544, least $1,342, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, June 30, cost $1,441, for the most part greatest $1,542, certainly least $1,340, which essentially is genuinely critical. Ethereum gauge on Monday, July 3, cost $1,430, extremely greatest $1,530, lovely least $1,330, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost $1,465, beautiful greatest $1,568, especially least $1,362, which essentially is genuinely huge. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, July 5, cost $1,456, essentially greatest $1,558, for the most part least $1,354 in a huge manner. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, July 6, cost $1,435, for the most part greatest $1,535, by and large least $1,335 in a kind of enormous manner. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, July 7, cost $1,441, beautiful greatest $1,542, lovely least $1,340, which really is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, July 10, cost $1,429, fundamentally greatest $1,529, least $1,329. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, July 11, cost $1,490, in every way that really matters, greatest $1,594, most certainly least $1,386, or so they basically thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, July 12, cost $1,492, especially greatest $1,596, certainly least $1,388 in a sort of significant manner. In about a month Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, July 13, cost $1,511, beautiful greatest $1,617, in every practical sense, least $1,405, showing that the change was plus 15.52, plus 0.94% in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, July 14, cost $1,516, most certainly greatest $1,622, sort of least $1,410, which is genuinely critical. Ethereum estimate on Monday, July 17, cost $1,471, truly greatest $1,574, beautiful least $1,368, or so they especially thought. USD to ETH conversion standard exceptionally equivalent to 0.6002 coins per $1,000 in an every practical sense, enormous way. Today, S reach 0.5960-0.6162 in an unpretentious way. The past day, S nearby 0.6058, change for now 0.0056, 0.92%, which most certainly is very critical. USD to ETH cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Friday, June 16, cost 0.638 coins. Fundamentally greatest 0.686, most certainly least 0.596. USD to ETH forecast on Monday, June 19, cost 0.639 coins. Fundamentally greatest 0.687, most certainly least 0.598, or so they basically thought. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, June 20, cost 0.643 coins. Most extreme 0.692, sort of least 0.601. So change for now 0.0056, 0.92% in an unobtrusive way. USD to ETH expectation on Wednesday, June 21, cost 0.643 coins. Really most extreme 0.691, kind of least 0.601, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, June 22, cost 0.675 coins, especially most extreme 0.726, beautiful least 0.631 in an unobtrusive way. USD to ETH forecast on Friday, June 23, cost 0.677 coins, especially greatest 0.728, most certainly least 0.633. So Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost $15.55, kind of greatest $16.64, really least $14.46 in a significant way. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Monday, June 26, cost 0.672 coins, kind of most extreme 0.723, really least 0.628, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to ETH expectation on Tuesday, June 27, cost 0.692 coins, kind of greatest 0.743, especially least 0.646, which explicitly is very critical. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, June 28, cost 0.664 coins, extremely greatest 0.714, beautiful least 0.621, which is very critical. In about 14 days USD to ETH expectation on Thursday, June 29, cost 0.693 coins, beautiful most extreme 0.745, by and large least 0.648, or so they really thought. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Friday, June 30, cost 0.694 coins, essentially greatest 0.746, by and large least 0.649, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, July 4, cost 0.683 coins, especially most extreme 0.734, by and large least 0.638, which is very huge. USD to ETH expectation on Wednesday, July 5, cost 0.687 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 0.739, truly least 0.642, or so they truly thought. In 3 weeks dollar to Ethereum figure on Thursday, July 6, cost 0.6